Hi, I am Ken, Senior Front-End Developer. Managing dependent fields in React form is missing. With Dashforge, it's simple and declarative. Today, I show you how to build a form with dependent fields using Dashforge. Let me show you. This is a web page form, a sample form with category and subcategory. If I change a category, a subcategory update automatically. That's it. Now, let's look at the code. I prepare my file and first I import React State Dashforge form component and some material UI component. This is the shape of my data. I have one category and one subcategory inside that. For this demo, I'm using category as static option for the real time you import from the fetch API. And the subcategory depend to the select category is the same on this demo are statics. I filling all data related to the category on subcategories by categories. Every key is related to the category item. I finish with the books, fiction, not fiction, chance, and history, for example. In real time, an application, this option is usually come from the API. For this demo, I simulate an API call with small delay. The delay is 50 millisecond, 100 millisecond, and return a category with optional category for handling the nullish because the category field in form value is string or null for respect the type. And now we're starting to create my components. In local state, only display the submit result, the form data. This state is not used to control the dependence between fields. On submit, I have the form data. We can see the result below. I prepare now the box for the JSX return components. Is only the layout decoration and wrapper for the data inside that. The cat is used for reflect a good effect border and background on the box. The title dependency field for this demo, only use it for understand. But now we're starting after that with the dash form. Dash form take a type from values for type safe. The submit event we declared on the top. The default value in this case, the initial value is category null and subcategory is null. This is the important part of the demo. Dashforge reaction let the form respond when a field change. The ID is just readable to identify for the reaction. The watch is dependent when the category field change in this reaction runs. And now this function is executed by the form. Here you can field value and update the runtime data. First, we take the get value category when change from the form before loading option in the subcategory field into loading state. This is the first steps. The second step in a real-time app, this would be a real API request. Here is only a simulated async call. When the data is ready, I update the subcategory field at runtime. The field will receive the new option from the form runtime data. Now, after that, we starting to implementing the Dashforge component UI. In this case, we need to autocomplete component, the category field is used to normally static option and take a name, the name of field related to the form field, form value, the label, and the option. The subcategory field starts with empty option, then receive its option from the Dashforge runtime data. I am not passing props manually from category or subcategory. The form is self-orchestrating the dependency. It's only important you apply the good props option from field data. Now we continue to end this form with the button. The button type is submit. Variant contained is only MIUI layout design system. And then that's it. For submit the form is completed and it's already there. After the form data state, the local state we set on the submit, it's only the decorator for a printout on the form, the JSON stringify result in that form. Okay, I'm just stringify form data and so on. That's it. I have an error inside the watch. It's okay. Okay, that's it. Try and tell me if you like it.